Good afternoon, everybody. Someone asked me to do a reading on Kris Fowler, a young man that went hiking and has been missing about a yearish or so now. I already did a video, and when I went to replay it, for some reason iTunes was still on, and it was kind of eerie music, and I don't know, I don't think that would work well with this reading at all. So anyways, the music is off now, and I think this will be better. So let's go ahead and redo this video and see what comes, okay? All right, so again, he did go hiking that day. He was on the paths there. And then there's something that shifted. And there's a scrambling feeling and then a fall. Okay, I'm hearing anchoring. He wasn't able to anchor himself. Okay, so there was a fall in like a brushy area. Okay, something where his body is not completely visible, hard to see, hard visibility. Okay, so he is a it does feel to be an experienced one, like a mountainous man. Okay, so he has had his time on the mountain and does know his way. Okay, but something was different about this day. Okay, let's see if that's true. In terms of his... Okay, so you can see right away a yes. Okay, it's something happened that was, timing. Okay, maybe timing with his steps. Something just kind of came upon him, and then really, so there was an accident. That's what it feels like. Okay, so as we connect up with this energy, I do not feel that there was any foul play. Okay, anything that came that was, someone that came upon him and wanted to injure him, hurt him, abduct him, steal from him. Let's see if this is correct. Yeah, so nothing like that is in his field of energy as we connect. Okay, oh, now we can hear all the wonderful sounds next door. They're putting in some new windows or something. Oh boy, anyway, we'll have to try to see if we can work with that. We get some sound effects today. It seems like that's just going to be that way. Okay, so that's the feeling here then, okay? Okay, so there's nothing dark in there, sinister. All right, it's not like there's any real, any cover that you have to lift up and look a whole lot deeper into. So that's the feeling with his, whatever came to him. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, so now it looks like we're connecting in with him. Let's see if we get anything, any kind of messages or anything that brings, adds another layer to this to be looked at. So he is struggling in his mind. That's the reality of it. He's struggling. He wants to, okay, so the feeling is he wants to hear some other sayings. All right, so for him, he's got those recordings going in his head that he left with a lot of revolving. And in his mind, he would like to hear another way, another tune, okay, another saying. And so at least that's there as a desire, and part of him, part of his being. Okay, so now he will come forward and say that he does not want his life to be laden with heaviness, okay, or feelings that, of sadness, heartache. He would like people to have more of a focus of caring and love in their hearts. This is something that he, at least what's resonating from connecting with his energy in this beautiful landscape as well. Okay, friends. Okay, saying friends, listen. All right, hear me, because I am okay. I'm okay, you know, is knowing. And don't take my life to be tragedy or sadness. Okay, don't do that. For I am okay, the sense is not lost, which is interesting. You know, he's not lost. Okay, he feels like he's still, you know, himself in many ways, you know, with those same thoughts and things, and does know he wants to come out of that continual whirlwind he's lived in with some of these sayings. Okay, again, recording sayings. Okay, this is part of the feeling coming here, and again, which is good. So there's a desire for something higher to bloom, is the sense. All right, and also the feeling that he's not lost. Okay, so to people on the ground and, you know, in the earthly plane, of course, they feel he is in some ways. But, you know, the sense is that he is still there in spirit, okay, and that's what matters. Okay, so body is one thing. Although, of course, families want to find it and have this resolve. Okay. So, sayings. Okay, sayings different, I want. Sayings different. Okay, so let's see anything else for Kris, and let's see if, you know, some different energies will indeed come in for him. Heart is saying that it will. Okay, heart is saying it will. It will be received. Okay. Place of more peace. Okay, this will be received. He wants it, you know, so that's a big thing, you know, what people desire. Those things stay there, what you want, what you hope for. And the feeling is that is what he wants, okay? Okay, so let's see if anything else comes around, any messages as we connect in with this beautiful land here, and have to be more trying to be as a again, living blessed. Okay, living blessed. Okay, this is it. This is really what it's about. Blessings. Blessings are good. Okay, so anything else here? Okay. Okay, so it doesn't look like saying yes, but let's see what happens. Okay, so it's just moving away. So we're going to go ahead and end this for Kris Fowler's reading. Hope all are well this afternoon. There are some other readings that people asked me to do, and I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, do some write-ups and probably put them out as a group reading. Okay, so those will come in time. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.